Hi friends, a warm welcome to each and everyone to my channel. Today I am here for sharing our experience and some gathering knowledge by using which you can obviously step into a freelancing job career. So I am going to share here that a renowned company has declared a huge number of job vacancies for the particular jobs that is related about the freelancing job. Yes guys, I am going to talk about VCS, Virtual Customer Service job, and this is also a part of the virtual assistant job. So in this video I am going to share first part, that what is virtual assistant job, what skills is required to become a virtual assistant job, from where you can get this type of job opportunities, what is the money or the salary structure of being a virtual assistant job, become a virtual assistant within 30 days, and also that how to attract the more clients as a virtual assistant. So keep watching this video till the end, because here at the ending part I am sharing job informations and the huge vacancies related about the virtual customer service. But before going to start the video, I am requesting you, so subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and click the subscription box and be part with Udita's Classroom. When I will put any type of videos, you will be notified. Now let's check the playlist where you can find out the government job notification from the category job info and the category that is online money earning strategy. You can get some freelancing job, some websites review, and also some home based part-time job informations. And if you check out the classrooms, where you can get some engineering tutorial, and also in case of discussion where you can get the tips and tricks how to crack exam. So be part of Udita's Classroom by clicking the subscription box and click the bell icon, so never miss the updates from Udita's Classroom. So guys, if you are interested to know how to start your career at the VCS, so just wait and let's get into the video and talk about it. So guys, from Amazon company has declared a huge number of job vacancies according to the placement, according to the area, location, and all over the India. And this is job related about the VCS, that is virtual customer service, which is one of the parts of the virtual assistant job. And if you are in any places of India, you can apply here, as because this is the flexible job and flexible time, and it is a portable job, and you can start your career as a freelancer. This is a part-time money earning, and you can spare time, you can spend your spare time to earn money through online, and obviously it is a work from home technique. And one thing is that this video is also for those candidates who have to stop their study and is going to think to stop their studies after the board 12th exam or the 10th exam, because some financial problem of their family. So guys, don't worry, this video is also for you. If you apply this type of job, if you will start your career as a VCS job, then you can earn a money by using your earning money. You can start your career, and also you can start your studies in higher classes, and you can also continue your further studies. Apply and be the part of the VCS. So now coming with the point, that what is the actual virtual assistant job. So virtual assistant, a self-employed job, and this is the one type of platform according to your flexibility. When you want and from where you want, you can go to work, email management, email marketing, social media marketing. You all know that social media marketing, if you have Facebook account, if you have a Twitter account, if you have LinkedIn profile, if you have some Instagram profile, you have to marketing that type of or authorities product through the social media. So this is the intermediate position you have to work. Now number 2, that is you may start as a call center work. That is you have to handle the client, you have to give the answers about some product, you have to review the product to the particular client. Those the client must be from the foreign countries. So you have to clarify what the product your organization will be sold out for those particular region, particular country. Some photo editing, some web development also be the part of the VCS. What skills do you require to become a VCS? So from the working process, from the category, you might be quite understand that what type of skills you have to require. That is, you have to handle the social media, you have to manage the email marketing, you have to gather some knowledge about editing, you have to knowledge how to type, how to Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and some you have to enhance your typing skill, you have to enhance your communication skills, have to groom yourself as an intermediate person, and also you have to learn a different type of languages if whether your organization will perform for the other countries. And also bookkeeping, small tasks, some surveys and micro tasks are also the parts of the VCS. How to become the VCS? So follow your desires, do that where you have some interest. You may handle some social media, you are expertise in social media, so you go with this. You are you have some good knowledge in bookkeeping, you have the good knowledge of survey, and you have a knowledge of handling the bookkeeping, handling the editing, and also for some web development, then you must go with this. So first and foremost thing is follow your desire, follow your passion, then enhance your skill, and then apply for that particular job. So now come here, the how to attract client. So first and foremost thing, when you are being the freshers in any field, you have to prove yourself to serve them free of cost. You are applicable for this type of job, eligible for that particular task, then more and more client will contact with you. So you can earn some good remark, good feedback from your clients, and then you promote yourself, promote their review through your blog post, through your Facebook, through your email, and then that is the one type of strategy how to gather more clients. If you want to know that how to get more clients according as your freelancing work, then write in my comment section below. I will definitely make another different video and discuss this topic in clearly. Okay, what is the salary structure? So if you are if you being the first and the freshers, don't think that it will give you a huge amount. Just try, and you have to make a patient, but one day after continuing giving effort, you will obviously income a huge amount of money from doing the VCS. So now guys, it's time to make your online presence to become a freelancer and become a VCS. A series of work from home and money earning strategy through online. So keep watching my videos. Hopefully this video is helpful to you, and if you are fond of my videos, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep connected with my channel, and if you share this video more and more, then more people will be helpful through this type of videos. Thanks for watching guys. Take care. Goodbye.